Good morning. So after I've been sick for the last 2 to 3 weeks, today I decided to take a little trip again. To start with, I decided to take the train to the next best cache round nearby and go for some hiking. I figured it might be smarter than having an all-day bike trip right after being sick. But of course I'm gonna grab like all caches nearby and find a good place to have breakfast first. Okay, so looks like we arrived at the first spot of the day, which is like the leftovers of an old bridge. Okay, cool. Looks like there used to be a fence. Well, looks like I found my breakfast spot. So breakfast is gonna be some cereals with milk, grapes and raspberries. Breakfast done. That was good. I just checked the map for the cache and it says that it's 2 meters around me. That sounds like an easy find, but that also means 2 meters here, or maybe even down there. So looks like I cannot find it. People say you have to have the right angle to see it, and then it was no problem. So now I'm down here, and I thought maybe looking at there you can discover it, but grab it only when you're on top. But I think it doesn't work, or at least I don't see it. So this one didn't work for me. Pity, but at least I had a cool spot to have my breakfast. Off to the next spot. I think on the other side there I just discovered the counterpart of the bridge. So I think it went all the way here, and somewhere behind those trees was the part of the bridge that I have just been at. The forecast said no rain for today, just cloudy. But damn, that doesn't look good. Excuse me. It's raining. Yeah, so it's raining pretty much. I'm getting really wet. When planning my trips on the map at home, everything looks so close always. But when you're actually out on the trip, everything is so far. So I think I'm gonna stop with those detours to grab all caches nearby and just go to the round that I came here for in first place. So it's still raining, but I arrived at an area that is more like a forest area, so I'm a bit protected. And also I think it's getting a bit brighter, so chances are good that it might stop soon. So while I'm still on my way, I might as well tell you what the cache round is about. It's around, I think, 20 or 21 caches plus a bonus one, and it's about the Neue Deutsche Welle, which was a famous music genre in Germany, especially I think in the 80s. And the round is not about extraordinary caches, it's just gonna be some basic traditional ones It's more about being out, enjoying nature. So that might be cool. So I arrived. I'm pretty exhausted actually. I can feel that I spent the last 2 or 3 weeks basically just on the couch or in bed. So now I'm on my way to the first cache of the round. I was happy to see that it goes along the river, and on the other side there's forest. So the area here is pretty cool. So I found the first 2 caches. It's really nothing extraordinary, it's just traditionals and nothing challenging. Like I said, more about enjoying nature. Found this bench here since I'm pretty exhausted, as I said. Gonna have a little break, have a coffee. So this is basically what most of the round looks like. Water and forest. So now I'm moving away from the water, which was somewhere over there. And now here to my right I don't even know what that is, a field thing. And to my left is also a field with cows. Don't know if one can see over there. And just as an example of what those caches of the round might look like this. Or like this. So I already finished half of the round, or even more, because I just found cache number 12. And this is actually really cool here. It's really calm. I did not meet one single person on my way. It's nice. This is perfect. It's around noon. I feel I'm getting tired again. So I'm gonna have my lunch break here now. Going on now. Here you can see the bench still. Felt good to have a break, eat something, drink. But I'm getting cold now, so I have to keep moving. I'm almost done with the round. And then I went for a multi-cache that is nearby before I finished the round. In stage 1 you maybe can already see something that actually doesn't belong in a forest. So here you have the hint for the next stage. So now this is the final of this multi-cache. And I mean, okay, I have to solve something, but what the fuck is this? It goes there, I don't know if you can see it. Looks like a little plane with the cache on top. Okay, this is solved. So let's see. Okay, I see. Book. So I'm just coming from the last regular cache of the round, and I'm on my way to the bonus cache. I have the coordinates now, so let's see if this one is a bit more special and not just a basic one. So I arrived. The cache must be somewhere here. Oh yeah, I see something. Okay. Okay, so this is the bonus then. So that was it. I'm on my way back to the train station now. Pretty exhausted actually, because so far I already walked or hiked for 16 kilometers, and until the train station I think it's more 3 or 4, so you can say that it was around 20 kilometers today. It's enough, I would say. So I was on my way to the train station. My phone actually led me to the train station, but it did not know the actual address, looked like, because I ended up in a weird place that was not the train station. I mean, there were tracks, but it was some industrial whatever area with trucks and stuff. So I had to research the actual address of the train station, and this one was around 1.5 kilometers away from me. So it was really close. I tried to manage still to catch the train. I was kind of running, which did not really work because I'm wearing my hiking shoes and those are not exactly made for running. So in the end I saw my train leaving while I was like 500 meters away from the train station. So I have literally 1 hour to kill now, because the next train is just 1 hour from now. At least I found this nice spot here. There's a little forest nearby, and I'm just gonna rest because that was really stressful. Drink, eat, and then try to catch the next train. But that also gives me the chance to talk to you about the highlights of the day. The actual cache round I went here for was cool, especially the forest part. You were all by yourself. I liked that a lot. But the cache with the plane, the multi-cache, that was really cool. That was a surprise. I didn't expect that. So that was my highlight of the day, I would say. And since I'm basically at the train station, I can also tell you how much I have been hiking today. It's 21 kilometers. So I grabbed my stuff, time to go. I want to be extra super on time this time. I already checked and I saw that this one of course is delayed, just 5 minutes, but those would have helped me 1 hour before. Okay, so bye.